Hello, it's Helen Godden and welcome back to our Christmas Countdown Quilt-a-long. We're up to December 12 and this is the petal we're working in. And look, we're halfway there, so I think it's time to crack some champagne. Champagne means bubbles. Let's stitch some bubbles in this one. So there we go, that's our December 12 design with our bubbles. Now a few things to note here is to over complete those bubbles. That's how I managed to move from one area to the next. I've also made sure there's a half bubble here and this one here that is really looking like it's sitting behind that other petal. So that's how you get that feeling of dimension when you have the half bubbles that allows that little petal there to be in front. Something to think about is let there be half. It's something I do teach quite a bit. This idea of, letting there be half so that it looks like the pattern continues behind. I'm going to see you tomorrow for December 13 and we're going to move on to our next poinsettia. See you later. Bye. See you tomorrow.